Most people choose the wrong travel credit card for one simple reason. They copy airline travelers even though their lifestyle looks completely different. Here's the truth no one tells you. If you drive a lot, your ideal hotel card is probably not the same card travel influencers keep recommending online. And in 2026, this mistake is costing people thousands of points, weaker rewards, and missed travel value every single year. In this video, I'll explain exactly what type of hotel credit card makes the most sense for high-mileage drivers, which rewards categories matter most, the biggest mistakes road travelers make, and the hidden feature that separates good hotel cards from genuinely useful ones. And later, I'll show you the fastest way to decide which hotel ecosystem actually fits your lifestyle. So let's get straight into it. The first thing high-mileage drivers need to understand is this. Your biggest travel expense is often not flights. It's gas. That changes everything. Because once gas becomes a major monthly expense, certain hotel cards suddenly become much more valuable than airline-focused cards. Now here's where most people fail. They choose travel cards based on luxury branding instead of spending behavior. That's backwards. The best travel card is the one that rewards the purchases you already make constantly. And for drivers, that usually means gas, road trip hotels, dining, and practical domestic travel. Now imagine Jake drives hundreds of miles every week for work. Maybe he's a sales rep, contractor, delivery driver, or small business owner. Jake spends heavily on fuel every month. If he uses a weak cashback card earning minimal rewards, he's wasting a huge opportunity. But if he uses the right hotel card with strong gas rewards, those same purchases start generating free hotel nights automatically. That's where things get interesting. Now let's talk about the hotel ecosystems that tend to fit drivers best. Wyndham is one of the biggest names people should seriously consider. And honestly, many travelers underestimate it. Why? Because Wyndham's footprint is massive. You see Wyndham brands almost everywhere. Days Inn, La Quinta, Super 8, Microtel, Wyndham Garden, and many others. That matters for drivers because availability becomes extremely important during road travel. A luxury hotel program means very little if properties are not conveniently located along your routes. Now here's where it gets interesting. Cards like the Wyndham Earner lineup reward gas purchases aggressively compared to many standard hotel cards. That creates a natural fit for road travelers. You buy fuel anyway. Now that spending helps fund future stays. Simple. But here's the problem. Many people obsess over luxury perks while ignoring practical usability. Airport lounges sound exciting online. But if you spend most of your time driving domestically, gas rewards and widespread hotel coverage may deliver much more real-world value. Now in a minute, I'll show you the one feature high-mileage drivers should prioritize above everything else. But first, let's discuss another important factor. Annual fees. A lot of drivers immediately avoid annual fee cards completely. That's not always smart. Sometimes a moderate annual fee creates much larger long-term value through better rewards and anniversary bonuses. The key is simple. The rewards must consistently outweigh the fee. Now, let's make this practical. Imagine Alex spends heavily on gas monthly and stays in hotels multiple times yearly during work trips. A stronger rewards card may easily generate enough value to offset a moderate annual fee through free nights, bonus points, status perks, or accelerated rewards. But here's where most people fail again. They overestimate how much they'll actually use travel benefits. That's dangerous. The smartest strategy is matching the card to your current lifestyle, not your fantasy lifestyle. Now let's talk about hotel status because this area confuses many viewers. Some hotel cards include automatic elite status. For road travelers, this can quietly improve the travel experience through bonus point earnings, preferred rooms, late checkout, or faster customer service. Now, let's stay realistic. You're usually not getting presidential suites every weekend. But small conveniences matter more during frequent travel than people realize. And over time, those advantages add up. Now here's the feature I mentioned earlier. The single most important factor for drivers is ecosystem compatibility. This matters more than flashy marketing. Ask yourself, Are hotels conveniently located where you actually travel? Because if you constantly struggle to find usable properties, the reward system becomes frustrating immediately. This is exactly why practical hotel ecosystems often outperform luxury-focused systems for drivers. Now here's where it gets interesting again. A lot of high-mileage drivers also operate side businesses or gig work. That changes the math completely. Delivery drivers, rideshare drivers, real estate agents, consultants, mobile repair technicians. These people often spend massive amounts annually on fuel. And that creates huge reward generation potential if optimized correctly. Now let's discuss another hidden advantage. Road trip travel is extremely flexible compared to airline travel. That means hotel rewards become even more valuable because drivers can often adjust routes, booking dates, and stay locations strategically. This flexibility creates stronger redemption opportunities, especially during expensive travel periods. Now here's the mistake many people make with hotel points. They redeem them during cheap hotel periods. That destroys value. Experienced travelers usually save points for holiday weekends, peak travel periods, last-minute bookings, or expensive event weekends. That strategy dramatically increases redemption value. Now let's compare two travelers quickly. John chooses a flashy airline card with perks he rarely uses because he mostly drives domestically. Meanwhile, Alex chooses a practical hotel card with strong gas rewards and road trip hotel coverage. Over time, Alex consistently earns usable hotel stays from spending he already makes weekly. John struggles to maximize value. That's the difference alignment creates. Now let's answer another important question. Should drivers prioritize cashback instead of hotel points? Sometimes yes. If someone rarely stays in hotels, simple cashback may honestly work better. But for people regularly booking hotels during work trips or road travel, hotel rewards can often deliver stronger long-term value than flat cashback, especially during expensive travel periods. Now here's where most people fail once again. They chase too many reward systems simultaneously. One airline card, one hotel card, another cashback card, random loyalty accounts everywhere. That fragmentation weakens earning speed. The smarter strategy is usually focusing on one or two ecosystems that naturally fit your life. Now let's talk about redemption simplicity. Practical hotel programs often work better for drivers because redemption options are easier and more widespread. That reduces friction. And honestly, the best reward system is the one you consistently use without stress. Now, before we finish, let's do the quick shortcut test. If you drive frequently, spend heavily on gas, travel domestically, book hotels regularly, and value practical travel savings over luxury branding, a hotel card focused on gas rewards and broad hotel coverage probably makes the most sense. Especially ecosystems like Wyndham that align naturally with road travel. Now here's the final mistake to avoid. Never overspend just to earn rewards. Travel rewards only work when they optimize spending you already plan to make. Gas. Travel. Hotels. Nothing extra. That's how smart travelers win long term. So, here's the bottom line. If you drive a lot, your best hotel card is usually the one that rewards gas spending aggressively, offers broad hotel coverage across practical travel routes, and fits your real travel behavior instead of luxury travel fantasies. For many drivers in 2026, that makes Wyndham one of the strongest ecosystems worth considering. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with how many miles you drive every month. And if you want, I can also break down the best hotel credit cards specifically for Uber drivers, sales reps, and road trip travelers.